What's up, fam? So in this video, I'm going to be going over how long Betfury can go for, because I know some of you have jumped on to Betfury and have asked me questions about what I set my dice to and that sort of thing. So I'm going to go right into it. Remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and let's go. So as you can see here, I've had 8,213 losses, wins, and 92,000 losses. So I actually have my settings set to 8% right here. And then I have 9% on roll increase. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you a dice calculator that you can use to just use so you can know what's the best kind of strategy. But as of right now, I think I have it set for very bottom one. I started with like less than, I want to say 0.001 ETH, and it's gone up to almost 0.03. So I think this is worth like 90 bucks now. And I have not invested any money into this. This is strictly from dice rolling and starting off with boxes. I have a whole playlist where I went from 0 to where I am now. As you can see, I did have almost a big loss where I would have been liquidated, but luckily I didn't. I was probably sleeping. I was. But this has been going for, I don't know, for quite a while now. As you can see, I don't get that many wins that often. I mean, we had one right now, and probably in this whole video we'll have 3. So you can see how long this has been running. So quite a bit now, probably a couple days. I don't know exactly, but there's another win. But it's pretty consistent, as you can see. I mean, it's not these huge gains, but over time it just compounds and we'll increase our bets. So as we increase our bets, we'll earn more, and that's how it works. So as far as the dice calculator, I've included the link to Betfury. If you've not signed up down below, you can definitely sign up down below. It's completely for free. And actually I can show you that I have not, this is staking. So I get, for staking, their native token, I do get these payouts every single day. But if I go to my withdrawals, you can go to transaction history right here. And if we go to, let's just do, so withdrawals. We'll just do like here to here. So I have withdrawn some Solana, some Tron, some BNB, and some more BNB. So definitely have withdrawn. If we do and look at deposits, I have 0 deposits. I have actually never deposited besides the one time I did it in the video. So you can definitely check that out in some of my other videos. I've included a link in the description, but I have never deposited any money besides a little bit of Doge that I got for free. And you can definitely check out those videos. But as you can see, I have made a lot more just from just rolling the dice. I have been liquidated quite a few times just from the earnings. But again, this is just house money that I've played by just getting free boxes. Right here, they give you free BFGs, free BTC, free BNB that I started. And I have, like I said, a whole series on this. If you're someone new to crypto, definitely check out our Wikipedia page at wiki.themoneyfriends.com. I've also included a link down below so you can get started in making money in the crypto space. Anything from set up your wallets to protecting your crypto to getting into crypto. We also have all sorts of different videos on blockchains from Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, Binance, Harmony, Phantom, and all the different swaps there. So you can definitely know what wallet to use, how to swap your crypto on each of these blockchains. So all sorts of different information. And I've included, like I said, down below with video guides. But that's about it. I mean, I just had another win right here. We might break the, no, we won't, too far away. But we are up to 23 now, and I think I said we were at 16 about 5 minutes ago, so I'm getting about 1 win every minute. All right, so I want to go over the dice strategy that I was talking about, and so as you can see here, this is a website that I use, and I've included all the links down below, but right now my bankroll is at 0.029, and as you can see here, it's at 0.029. and then I have my bet amount that I'm willing to bet, and then the chances and the raise bet. So as you can see here, the chance is 8, and then raise on loss is 9. So that's what I've been using, and this is the results I should have. So I should have, I should be able to lose 102 times in a row without getting liquidated, and the strategy gives it a 8.3. I believe you want to be closer to 10, but you know, it just really depends on your own risk tolerance. That's totally up to you. You can get liquidated. I did get pretty close here, and it has happened before. So obviously this is gambling, so use at your own risk. Do not invest any money that you're not willing to lose. I personally have not invested any of my own money, only the money that I have received from these free boxes. And oh shit, I didn't mean to close that. And hopefully it doesn't start over. God. Ooh. Okay, well, whatever. So we'll have some. That sucks. That was like anyways. I'm not liquidated or anything, but I just shut down that whole live thing. But okay, guys, that's it. That was a disappointment. Till next time, peace.